We're going to do a video on the S&P 500 technical analysis, and we've got an S&P 500 E-mini futures contract on here, a daily chart with a blue 200-day moving average. This market closed down 79 points. There's no bar on here, but the closing slash is on here. They haven't updated it yet, but net effect is it's closed down about 79 points, and on a daily chart, doesn't look like a big deal. Here's the bottom. The support is 3704. We're nowhere near that. We did close below the 20-day moving average, close below the 5-day moving average. That's all somewhat important, somewhat of note. You can see here, slide this down, you can see here that it's the first time it closed here below the 20-day on October 20th. This is the first time it's done that. So that's you got to pay attention to that, at least I do. And so if we look here at a weekly chart, we can get an idea of what's going on from a weekly perspective, and you can see that we're bouncing off of the 20-week moving average. We're now like a ping pong in between the blue 200-week moving average and the red 20-week moving average. This does not show strength. This does not show weakness necessarily. It shows indecisiveness, and I don't think that's good. I don't think it's good at all. A rally should be very decisive. That is a very decisive rally. Notice the low volatility, the straightness of the 20-day moving average or 20-week moving average, very low volatility, and buying every single dip along the way. So this doesn't bode well for a strong rally, especially on a weekly chart. Let's take a look back here at the daily chart. You can't see it, but I'm looking at an hourly chart, and it's sold off pretty aggressively. It is below the 200-hour moving average, and it looks pretty much, you know, it's not oversold yet, but it's getting to be oversold on a daily chart. It's certainly not oversold here on a on an hourly chart. It's certainly not oversold on a daily chart. And from this point right here, the close, the S&P 500 E-mini can go either direction. There's really no way to predict what's going to happen. My guess is it's probably going to sell down and test this 3704, but that's for entertainment purposes only, just my opinion. But I think it's weak, and I think it's going to probably sell down and test here. And if it violates this, then all of a sudden this becomes a lower top, and it's making lower bottoms, and we're moving back down to here, to the 3600 level. So we have to see what happens. This is probably not going to be tested for a couple days, if it is at all. If it's not tested, then I would expect this to come around right around here a little bit, maybe 37.37, 37.30, let's call it, and then rally back up. So that's what we'll be looking for tomorrow and Friday. Let's take a look and see what the RBAM research says about it. We've got algorithmically generated entry prices for the SP 500. Got them right here, and we've got, let's see if these are extended there. So this is for tomorrow the 10th, 1, 2, 5, 10, and 20 days. It's got buys at 37.31, which I believe is what I just talked about. And then you have 37.43s, 37.68, and it drops back down to 37.43 for the 10 and the 20. So those are your buy positions, all for entertainment purposes. Only got to trade at your own risk. Can't use our information for anything other than entertainment, including the commentary and the entry prices. Should always do your own analysis. Let's take a look and see what the rest of this says here. The trend following for tomorrow, 38.48, which is a buy, interestingly enough, at 38.48, but that's way up there. And then that's a 30-day hold. Trend following, get out at the end of 30 days at a loss, or take your profits as soon as you get them, but that's way above market. Who knows, it might happen. And then we have support and resistance here for tomorrow. If you're a day trader, these are all up for sale now. You can subscribe to our premium services and get these intraday support and resistance prices. And there's a video on there that shows you how to use them on our website. If you like to get all of this and try for free, you can at rbamresearch.com. No credit card required. Link in the description below. Access is free to try them. Go over to RBAM Research, put in your email address, and get instant free access to 190 stocks, the major forex pairs, BTC, crypto, and the most liquid futures contracts. Everything's updated by 7 a.m. officially, but a lot of times if you come by early, you can catch them updated after 6 p.m. for everything but crypto, and after 8 p.m. for crypto. Keep in mind, everything's for entertainment purposes only. If you like this video, please click the like button. If you want to subscribe, please do that as well. And if you leave us a ticker symbol in the comment section below, if it's a big ticker symbol, big security, and we think it'd be of interest to enough people, we will seriously consider doing it for you.